2004 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo. This is going to be shifter cable or linkage cable, the one that goes from here all the way to the transmission. This here first, right there, two Phillips. Then we're gonna lift this up here, and one Phillips right there, and one here. And this is all broken here, so take this out. So removing this one here. Okay, I removed the screws there. It's just basically screwed here. I don't know what this is here. At this point, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna lift it up from here. See? Okay, see, I gotta move the shifters here. Gotta put them back. Gotta move them back and see if I can hold up the brake pedal. This is all broken. I'm gonna be removing this 213mm nut here. It's not 13mm, and then two 10mm bolt here, another one here. Now we're gonna take this bracket. I'm gonna take off this bracket here. So I'm gonna see if I can remove it from here first. Right there, just slide it out. Okay, now this bushing here, I have to press this tab here and the other tab on the other side. But let's see, it's better to do both at once. Now, right there. There. Now from here we're gonna come to here, right here. I'm gonna take this off. Okay, gonna try to remove this 7mm nut here. Here. Now what I gotta do is I gotta go beneath the car. Okay, I'm beneath the car right now, and that is the cable right there. It's not engaged on the bracket. That's the bracket right there. It's not engaged on the bracket. Hopefully the camera can see. That's the part that goes inside the car. The part that is on top of the cable, and it's engaged right there. Right there. Hopefully the camera is getting that. So that's why the gears are not changing correctly, because this is not engaged over here. The owner recently bought this cable, and the dealer got him the wrong one. This is the wrong one here. So let's see if I can get it. Oops. See if I can push it here. Right there. Oops. I got it out. Just insert it like this, and that's a pin right there. So I'm gonna see if I can push it here and get it. Let's see if I follow. See right there. If I follow it from here, it goes there. Okay, right now I'm inside the car right now. And I'm gonna lift this up. Okay, and then I'm gonna pull it from the other side. Hopefully I don't have a problem. I'm gonna pull it here. I'm gonna go beneath and see if I can push it from there. Finally, I think I got it out. Right here. Okay, now here is see, and the cable is hitting something there because it doesn't go anywhere. Pushing it back, it doesn't even come back or either go forward. Oops, kind of okay. It seemed like it went inside. I'm gonna see if I can get my hand there, and maybe I can pull it down through here. I'm gonna put this light right there. Now it's here, right here. Okay, I have it right there with the wire right now tied, just in case. I'm bringing it right there. Okay, right now this is the wire here. I want to push it on the inside the car, and it's here. It's in this direction here. This is the pin where it goes. I have not installed it on the pin yet. It's here. The transfer case. Now, hopefully I don't have a problem. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna install a piece of wire here on here, so I can get it through on the other side, and maybe I can pull it a little bit easier. Linkage cable already did. Now I want to see if the camera gets all of these. See, I wish I could get everything with the camera. This is the wire on this side, and I'm pulling it from here. See if alright, oops, it came off the wire, but at least I got it out. It's there. It's right there already. That's right there. Hopefully the camera can get it. That is going right there. It's going on the other side. I got to install it on the other side. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can get this. Alright. Once they come on this side, the tabs, they lock. See the tab, they already open, and they came on this side, they both. Right there. Now, it has been set up here. Now I have to go beneath the car again. You saw the tabs right there. Once you pull them in here, this way, they lock on this side. Okay, beneath the car again. Okay, I already put this bushing, whatever you call it, right there. That's the bracket right there. Actually, this part is very easy. All you gotta do is insert it on see the channels right there on the white part of the bushing. Oops. It has a channel. The camera is getting the channels on the white part, and you see the bracket. All you gotta do is insert it there. Insert it. You kind of have to force it because that's how it remains kind of tight, which makes sense. And the same on this side, right there. See? That's all you gotta do, and that in that position right there. That's very easy. First you insert it there, and then you insert it on the neutral safety switch. It has a pin. It goes on top. You just put pressure from the top, and you insert it on the pin on the neutral safety switch. It goes exactly right there. So everything is good. That's in parking right there. No problem. Okay, now I tied those nuts already on the cable, and I'm gonna put this air duct here. There we go, right there. The 13mm nut here, and these are 10 here. The ball here. Both of them right there. Now I have blocked the tires already, the rear ones and also the front ones. But this thing, because it's all a mess here in this car, everything is broken here. I'm gonna try to put it like this to see the console here, and I'm gonna see if I can hold it. There. Okay, right now I'm just gonna be putting the screws here and the ones here, and that's it. Car is turning with no problem. It's turning on and making changes, and the gear is very good. Thanks for watching.